Oppo A52 screen replacement. Step 1. Remove back panel. Step 2. Remove screws. After removing back panel, remove side body. Remove battery and display connector also. Step 3. Remove damaged screen. Step 4. Cleaning. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. Step 5. Apply glue carefully. After applying glue in the frame, you can gently place the new screen. Check the new screen if it's working or not. If everything is okay, you can repack side body. After placing side body, you can put screws. Last and final step, apply glue in back panel and pack it with rubber bands.